This is Hercules sleeping. Snoring. Sounds like Chris. Speaking of which, I got a chance to talk to Ashley, and